Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another episode of Cookmas, where every day in December I'm sharing a new recipe. Today's recipe is pumpkin spice French toast. I found this recipe on TikTok and it's pretty good. So you start off with 2 eggs, some pumpkin spice, cinnamon, and brown sugar. Also adding some half and half, some pumpkin puree, and some vanilla extract. I will make sure I put out the full recipe in the description box below. But that is your batter. Once you get everything added, you're going to whisk it together really well and then set that aside for a moment. And for the bread, I'm using King's Hawaiian rolls. I have a 24 pack. And you're just going to go through, rip them all apart and separate them. And this is what your batter should look like, and you're just going to roll the bread in it. Let it soak up, kind of rotate it so every end and edge of it is covered. Then I heated up some butter in a pan and added them in there. I found the most difficult was when you rotate it. Sometimes I'm like, which way did I rotate it? Did I do the same side, or, make sure all the sides are cooked evenly? You want to cook them each side, which there's 6. So I tried my system of like everybody rotates right. But once they're done, you can set those aside. I also was wondering, will it waffle? So I heated up my waffle iron, sprayed it, and I added about 2 at a time. Shut the lid, let that cook for a while. And yeah, it did waffle. I'll show you here in a moment. This is what it looked like when it came out. The kids actually preferred it, the waffle version. Maybe it's easier to eat. But this is how they both turned out at the end. Nice and golden brown. So I plated them, added some syrup over each one. Then I added some whipped cream. And then you could sprinkle cinnamon or more pumpkin spice or both on top. And yeah, this is pretty good. The kids like this. It's a fun little fall recipe. If you'd like to see more recipes, please make sure you subscribe and stay tuned. Thanks so much for watching. Bye, guys.